Posy 3D Studios here with a quick guide on how to bring the rain like I did on this Superior Spiderman. You just need 4 items to do this: a silicone pad, UV resin glue, a dropper bottle tip,
on the stick,
and a UV light. Put your resin glue on the silicone pad. Start off by getting some resin on your dropper tip and stick it on your model. Once you have that on your model, start curing it with the UV light. You just continually lift up and hopefully it'll string up a little bit and it'll cure straight up. Sometimes it'll detach before it's fully cured, and in that case you just take some snips and cut it off where the curl starts. You can also use a toothpick for this. I just found that the bottle tip is easier to clean off and reuse. So let's go through it one more time. Put the bottle tip into the resin, put that on your model, start curing it and lifting up. Get that little bit of string going, and if you're lucky, it'll stick to the bottle tip and you have to cut it off from there, which is a good thing because that means that the drop is straight. And that's your quick tip from Posy 3D Studios.